Now, the question wants us to find the value of x in the diagram below. Now, if you look at this carefully, you see that both lines, these three lines, are actually parallel lines. If you look at them, they have directions, and that tells us that they are parallel lines. Now, whenever I have parallel lines this way, I can easily pick them and observe where my angles are alternating or where they are correspondent. Now, we have a rule that says alternating angles are equal. Now, if you look at this, if I pick this way, I'll pick this, and I'll pick this. Now, this angle 30 degrees, with the angle here, I'll call this angle y, will also be equal to what? 30 degrees. Now, let's call this angle from here will be what? Z. Now, for this angle Z, you know that Z plus Y will be equals to 180 degrees. That angle on a what? A straight line. That angle on a straight line. So that my Z now plus 30 degrees is equals to 180. Z will be the same thing as 180 minus 30, which is equals to 150 degrees. So what I have here is 150 degrees. Now, if what I have here is 150, we know that the whole of this place is 250 from this indication. That tells me that what I will have left in here will be what? 100 degrees. Now, if what I have in here, look at x. If you look at x closely, you see that x also forms another set of alternating angles this way. So if x is here, obviously what you have here also will be what? Will be x. So that my 100 now plus x will be equals to 180. That angle still on a what? A straight line. That's the angle on a straight line. So that my x now will be equals to 180 minus 100, which is equals to 80 degrees. So what I have here will be 80 degrees, and my x here is 80 degrees. So I can confidently say that my x is 80 degrees. Now with this, I hope you understand how I worked with alternating angles. In case you have questions, do not hesitate to use our comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next video.